TTT Pi. That's the Way of Heaven and Earth School, Song Style Variation Part 1, with pauses, so get used to where your pause button is. Enjoy! Get ready, opening movement. Go round the yin-yang sign, then step forwards as though offering a ball to someone in front of you. Pause so that you can practice and start when you're ready to continue again. Next is open and close hands, followed by single whip, stepping your right foot out, toes pointing to 12 o'clock. Come back in. Again you can pause, start when ready. Searching the clouds, stepping to the right 3 times using little sideways steps. Nice and steady, nice and slow. And then we finish that one with open and close hands when you've done the 3 steps. Then you can pause, try that several times before carrying on. Brush knee twist step. Remember to push your right hand out to 12 o'clock, step to your left, half step up and then half step back into playing the lute. Cat stance. Blocking and closing 2 steps. Remember these are whole steps. Sink your weight down, let your weight twist towards your front foot, and we follow through after 2 of these with cover and punch. Pause and practice, then start again. Embrace the tiger and return to the mountain with a half step back and then half step up. Then get ready to pause. Pause and practice, then start again. Turn your right heel inwards, shift your weight, bring your left toes round, face the front. Do your open and close hands, then center and relax. Stay calm. Congratulations, you have just finished learning part 1. Well, I say finished. You still have to do it many times over. As my old master used to say, practice makes almost perfect. So keep practicing, pause when you have to, practice as many times before moving on as you have to, and enjoy.